to like, share, and subscribe. As the winter chill settles in, it's the perfect time to transform your living space into a cozy haven with a captivating mantel display. Whether you prefer rustic charm, minimalist elegance, or a touch of vintage flair, we've gathered 20 enchanting winter mantel ideas to inspire your seasonal decor. Let's explore the art of creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that reflects the beauty of winter. Rustic Charm Winter Mantel. Infuse your space with the warmth of rustic charm, incorporating reclaimed wood, candles, and natural elements for a cozy winter mantel. Antique Rustic Winter Mantel. Embrace the allure of vintage aesthetics with an antique rustic winter mantel, adorned with aged treasures and timeless accents. Warm neutrals and white mantel. Create a serene winter ambience by styling your mantel in warm neutrals and whites, offering a clean and inviting look. Lush Winter Mantel. Enrich your living area with a lush winter mantel, featuring abundant greenery, berries, and pine cones for a vibrant seasonal display. Winter Wonderland Mantel. Transform your mantel into a magical winter wonderland with sparkling lights, snow-dusted branches, and whimsical decor. Statement Sign Winter Mantel. Make a bold statement with a captivating sign as the focal point of your winter mantel, conveying festive messages or quotes. Minimalist Winter Mantel. Embrace simplicity and elegance with a minimalist winter mantel, focusing on clean lines, neutral tones, and understated decor. Dried Orange Slice Winter Mantel. Add a touch of citrus warmth to your winter mantel by incorporating dried orange slices, complemented by earthy tones and textures. Winter White Mantel. Achieve a timeless and sophisticated look with a winter white mantel, featuring ivory candles, snowy garlands, and porcelain accents. Winter Greens Foliage Mantel. Bring the outdoors in with a Winter Greens Foliage Mantel, featuring an abundance of evergreen branches and eucalyptus. French Vintage Winter Mantel. Transport your space to a French countryside retreat with a vintage-inspired winter mantel adorned with classic French elements. Pine Cone-themed Mantel. Celebrate the season by showcasing the beauty of pine cones on your mantel, creating a nature-inspired and textured display. Subtle Winter Mantel. Opt for subtle elegance with a winter mantel adorned with delicate ornaments, neutral hues, and soft lighting. Elegant gilded winter mantel. Infuse a touch of luxury into your winter decor with an elegant gilded mantel, featuring gold accents and opulent details. Candle-themed winter mantel. Illuminate your space with a candle-themed winter mantel, combining various candle sizes, shapes, and holders for a warm glow. Cozy pom-pom mantel. Bring a playful and cozy vibe to your mantel with pom-pom accents, creating a whimsical and inviting atmosphere. Winter blues mantel. Explore a serene and calming ambience with a winter blues mantel, incorporating shades of blue, silver, and frosty decor. Layered winter mantel. Add depth and visual interest to your mantel with layered elements, combining textures, heights, and ornaments. Simple and elegant winter mantel. Achieve a perfect balance of simplicity and elegance with a mantel adorned in muted tones, classic decor, and refined details. Winter botanicals mantel. Infuse natural beauty into your winter mantel with botanical elements, such as dried flowers, seeded eucalyptus, and herbal accents. Whichever style speaks to you, these winter mantel ideas offer a delightful blend of creativity and seasonal charm. Elevate your home decor and embrace the spirit of winter with a mantel that radiates warmth and sophistication. Let your imagination guide you as you curate a space that not only welcomes the season, but also reflects your unique style. Winter decorating has never been more enchanting.